We are the students from Babu Jagjivanam Government Degree College from BDA. I am here to present a topic on artificial intelligence in marketing. Artificial intelligence means the science of making machines that can behave or think like human. Title and content layout list. Introduction. In introduction, we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence and marketing. Artificial intelligence implement process in marketing. Here we are going to discuss about why artificial intelligence marketing important, how artificial intelligence support, how to use artificial intelligence for marketing, applications of artificial intelligence, type, features and benefits. At last, we are ending with conclusion. Introduction. Artificial intelligence in marketing is a use of customer data, machine learning and predict a person action or inaction. Marketers can further break down data to create customized content for their audience. Artificial intelligence solutions provide marketers with deeper knowledge. It also enabling them to deliver a right message to the right person at the right time. Artificial intelligence in marketing is a process of utilizing data, models, mathematics to generate insights that can be used by marketers.
Machine learning, predict analyzing and deep learning. Speech includes text-to-speech and speech-to-text. Language processing includes classification, translation, data extraction. Vision includes image visualization and machine vision. Process. It collects the data, cleans and manipulates the data. Train model is a systematic approach. Test data. Here we test our data and when improvements are needed, we will improve in improvement stage and finally we introduce the output.
Artificial intelligence. It is the ability of computer program or machine to think and learn. It is also a field of study which tries to make computers smarter. John H.C. Carthy came up with the name artificial intelligence in 1955. Next, marketing. Marketing is the material requirement and its economic pattern of response. Marketing satisfies the needs and wants through the exchange process and long-term
marketing process. Target marketing process showing leads, customers and promoters. There are 4 stages: attract, convert, close, delight. Stages: visitors, leads, customers, promote.
Artificial intelligence implements process in marketing. Artificial intelligence marketing is a method of leveraging technology to improve the customer journey. It can also be used to boost the returns of investment (ROI) and of marketing campaigns. AI is the marketing is the use of customer data, machine learning and other computational concepts of predict a person's action and inaction. And it also helps to design marketing, feed customer with the right content on the right channels at the right time. Process is divided at 5 topics. Get user data, fetch to test and train, improves to filter data by using the predictive algorithm, filter by targeting the price and demand algorithm, and last, and get the targeted audience with the demand needs.
Why artificial intelligence marketing is important? The impact of artificial intelligence on digital marketing is huge. 100 senior marketers from different industries, among 55% of companies are implementing AI in their marketing practices. It allows to gather huge amount of data. Another reason why AI in marketing campaigns in 2020 is that 76% of customers expect companies to understand their needs. How AI support us? Customer interaction of value and time. How customer reach and convert and engage.
Use artificial intelligence for marketing, sales forecasting. It will study the data from emails, meetings and phone calls, understanding customers. It will be easier for the marketers to understand the customer needs as well as how and when they want it. Find the trend. It can be used to detect upcoming trends by joining the real-time conversations and events. Programmatic ad targeting. The traditional way of buying and selling is a long process. It will help in talking to a salesperson, setting up the terms and having executed. Chatbots. It helps in inquiring, buying or complaining. Messaging apps such as Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, etc. Content generation. It helps in generating personalized content for your websites. Dynamic pricing. It is a pricing strategy where a
contents, chatbots, automation of marketing processes. Types of artificial intelligence. It has automated programs, message composer, mobile marketing, location marketing, etc.
Some key features of artificial intelligence in marketing: content creation and generation, artificial intelligence enhancing digital advertising, chatbots, behavior analysis and predictive analytics. Some benefits are improve customer engagement, work faster, increase customer loyalty. Artificial intelligence poised to continue growing across all the industries and segments. Marketers should dedicate time and resources to experimenting with strategies and ensure their marketing organization. Artificial intelligence in marketing is very powerful tool that marketers need to be using now. It's something marketers must adopt in their marketing analytics techniques to ensure better results and possible boost the business.